Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World, and it's time to get ready for the weekend. I got an awesome digital watch face for you all to check out, so stay tuned. The video review is coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. Today we got an awesome watch face to check out by my man SzaZs. He always gets down on some watch faces. They're always affordable in the Gear Manager store. If you have not checked out his lineup, give this guy a shot. Now with that being said, the name of the watch face is called Complex Sport Face. Very nice looking digital watch face. Now in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same information, but your digital time is going to be shaded in a bluish greenish kind of color. Not bad at all for the AOD mode. But once it's on, if you look up at the top right here, you will get a second hand, which looks really nice. And you also get the day of the week, the date, your month. You come down, you get battery info, heart rate info. All the way down at the bottom, you get floors climbed info and your steps. And you also get miles walked or ran. So you get all the vital information so far as exercising is concerned. And I'm loving this digital time. Now this red dot right here represents your battery life. This orange one right here represents calories burned. And the blue one over here represents your step status. Now it's also interactive, so you can tap on certain parts of the watch face and you can pull up more information on your step status. If you need to see your calendar, just tap on the date and it'll pull it right up. And if I want to, I can double tap and I can change the color of the watch face. And you get quite a few to choose from. I thought my man really got down on this one, and that's why I'm giving him 2 thumbs up out the door. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.